Okay guys, it is the time for the trending market for the week, and we will be checking this out right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on higher time frame, and of course, if you are not going to be, if you are going to be trading, I know you will be trading on the lower time frame, so you should be able to combine the lower time frame and the higher time frame together, so that you will be able to have a successful trading activities, because any little pullback on the higher time frame can be a total reversal in price action on the lower time frame. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Just like you guys have seen this, I'm on H4 platform, and of course this particular setup is called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It is a custom made indicator, and with it we will be able to analyze the market very easily. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is Boom 1000 on H4. This actually started an uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this resistance zone. Then it started a downtrend from here, and it sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to go further, but from here, so it went back into an uptrend. You can see broke out from here, and it started buying right from there, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, next asset is going to be Boom 500. Okay, when we say an asset will be giving us more of an uptrend, or it is an uptrend, it does not mean it will not have pullbacks in between. Okay, so it's going to sell when during the pullbacks, and of course go back to its normal trend later on. If it is on downtrend also, it is going to buy during the pullback, and of course go back into the downtrend later on. Okay, so it's normal for every market to behave like that. Okay, so this was an uptrend before, and it came to an end at this resistance zone. So right now it is selling at the moment, so this is going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, it has gotten to this support region, you can see it around there, and it has gotten here again at the pullback. We'll be trying it out again. Once it breaks out from there, it's going to sell for long. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Crash 1000 was an uptrend before, but came to an end at this resistance zone, and it started a downtrend right from here. So ever since, it has been selling. Okay, it has gotten to this particular support zone. If you should notice, it got there around here too. Okay, so once it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to sell more. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is Crash 500. Crash 500 was an uptrend starting from the support zone, but came to an end at this resistance zone. So it's trying to go back on downtrend right now, even though it has been playing within this region for a very long time. Immediately it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. So we expect more of a selling opportunity, more of a downtrend than a buy trend. Okay, than an uptrend. Okay, so this is it also. And so the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. This is Volatility 5. It had been on downtrend for long, but it has gotten to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend. And of course guys, we need it to break out from this particular resistance zone. Once it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy for more. At least it should be getting to this particular region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully before you go fully into your real account. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.